Ooh.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, you're going a little fast back there. It was a 45. You're going over 60.
Oh, I was?
Yeah. If
Oh, I
you
didn't
do me a favor,
realize.
slow down. We've had a bunch of fatality accidents, including motorcycles.
Oh, okay.
So if you could just slow it down, especially on that curve right there, people are merging and stuff. You're gonna be getting hit.
Okay.
We had 2 people die the other day. I don't know if you saw it on the news. On the
No, I'm coming from Austin. I'm visiting a friend.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license?
Yeah. It's in my pocket. Is that
sure.
fine?
That's fine.
Can I get off?
Yeah. Do what you need to do, man.
We're gonna go too far from my bike just because.
Yeah, I see you got your tether right there. I ain't too worried about it.
Also coming from California too, so.
You going to school here?
No, I'm moving.
You're moving here?
I'm moving to Austin. I'm closing on a house.
Dude, be careful driving through Tyler. We probably have the most car wrecks per capita.
Interesting.
So, hey, I'm just going to give you a verbal warning. Just please be careful on Earl Campbell.
Sure.
It's 45 in that zone.
Sure.
And please be safe riding on your motorcycle in the city of Tyler. They will sideswipe you. They will hit you.
Yeah, I'm seeing. I remember. I don't know how many minutes ago it was, but some person like just started backing out into both lanes.
I won't ever do it again. I'm gonna be honest with you. We just have too many accidents.
Okay.
It's an enjoyable thing to ride your motorcycle, to feel the breeze and stuff, but man, I just can't do it anymore.
Okay.
So, but well, you be safe while riding. Just touch down the speed and enjoy your time in Tyler. So
sure. Thank you.
Where are you working?
I work remote. I'm a software engineer.
Oh, yeah. Fantastic.
So that's why I moved to Austin, because it's like, why be? I'm from the Bay Area.
Yeah.
And it's very expensive there. So.
Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna get back to work.
Okay.
Off to the next one.
Thank you. What's that? I think I'm just gonna back up right there. Dude, I got pulled over just over there.
You got pulled over?
Yeah, he was like, you're going a little fast back there. Apparently I was going over 60 and a 45.
I've never been pulled over in Tyler.
How the fuck did I get pulled over and you've never? I think it's because I don't go like as fast as you do, so they can catch up to me. I got on camera though, so I got one of those like YouTube video moments where...
We're literally watching, my buddy's over, we're watching fucking motorcycle shit right now.
Well, I'm gonna have to get this one in.
Oh man.
Because that's one of those cool cop ones, because he didn't give me a ticket.